10th anniversary.
Okay, yeah. It's his birthday, but he's not 10.
That's the Walking Dead set.
What do you think, honey? We just wanted the picture of the waterfall.
Actual building they use, well, on the back side of Terminus, really. That's the factory they use. So, okay, I'm going to pause this and go on the back side.
Maybe.
Well,
You can't go
over
in
here where
without
they.
their permission.
You can't go inside because OSHA would really get a big go
Get
fine.
all of that. The train car right here. The train car. Start right here.
There's a train
With an A
car.
on the back of it.
Train car where they were all in the last episode.
Yep, there's Terminus.
We're coming around to the front of the building. This is where
It says the letters, but they took them off.
they met up with each other.
And there's where the sign was, which said Terminus.
This is the front. Come on, get
I
out.
wish you pull up a little bit.
I think it's more weeded up there, baby. If it's not, we'll stop up there too.
This part of the buildings where they had Terminus on the building. Well, we're trying to get to these locations, but they're so far away.
And they're really closed off.
Yeah.
There's where it's supposed to say Terminus.
There's where a better shot of the Terminus building. It was old railroad yard. That's where they filmed where Rick got caught in that car. Oh boy, this has been a hellacious trip, I'll tell you that. I mean,